Hey, food lovers! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing the ultimate brioche French toast recipe you absolutely need to try. Trust me, this is going to be a game changer for your breakfast or brunch menu. This dish is perfect for a cozy weekend breakfast or an impressive brunch. Imagine serving this to your family or friends and watching their faces light up with delight. Let's dive right into it. You're going to love how simple yet delicious this recipe is. First up, the ingredients. You'll need a 1-pound loaf of cinnamon twist or plain brioche, cut into 1-inch thick slices. Brioche is key here because of its rich buttery texture. You'll also need 4 large eggs, 1 cup of whole milk, half a cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a pinch of kosher salt, and 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter divided. These ingredients will create a custard that's both flavorful and creamy. And for topping, maple syrup, mixed berries, and confectioner's sugar are optional, but highly recommended. These toppings add a burst of flavor and a touch of elegance to your French toast. Alright, let's get cooking. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This will keep your French toast warm while you cook the rest. Spread your brioche slices on a large rimmed baking sheet and bake them until they're dried out. This should take about 20 minutes. Drying out the bread helps it absorb the custard without becoming too soggy. This is a crucial step to avoid soggy French toast, so don't skip it. Trust me, it makes all the difference. Once done, let the bread cool. This will ensure it's ready to soak up all that delicious custard. Step 2. In a large, shallow baking dish, whisk together your eggs, milk, cream, sugar, cinnamon, vanilla, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Make sure everything is well combined. This mixture will give your French toast that rich, custardy texture. The spices and vanilla add a wonderful aroma and flavor. Now, working with 2 slices at a time, place the bread into the egg mixture and let it soak for 15 to 20 seconds per side. You want the bread to be well coated but not falling apart. Remember, you don't want to over-soak them. The goal is to have a perfect balance of custard and bread. Step 3. Heat a large skillet over medium-low heat and melt 1 tablespoon of butter. The butter will give your French toast a beautiful golden crust. As soon as it starts to sizzle, add your soaked bread. Listen to that sizzle. It's the sound of deliciousness in the making. Cook until golden brown on both sides, which should be about 3 to 5 minutes per side. Keep an eye on them to make sure they don't burn. Repeat with the remaining bread, adjusting the heat and adding more butter as needed. Each batch will be just as delicious as the first. Now for the best part, serving. This is where you get to be creative with your presentation. Drizzle your French toast with a generous amount of maple syrup, top with mixed berries, and sprinkle with confectioner's sugar. These toppings not only add flavor, but also make your dish look stunning. Trust me, these little extras take it to a whole new level. Your taste buds will thank you. Love the recipe? Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Your support means the world to me. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. Stay tuned for more mouth-watering recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Enjoy your perfect brioche French toast.